Welcome back to my channel, dear friends. You can't go shopping for your bakery biscuits? Not to worry. Let's prepare our very own Atta Jeera biscuits. Tun lai chu chua te ahar sa a kan lo chua kan hi pon bakery biscuits te hi mu tura wang em a. Chu wangin manikut nge ya siam Atta Jeera biscuits siam dan ilo enang. An ram that zia hi lo en ru ari hi ngai tharu o. Chatayem oven let here be la bake dan ke entir dona. So let's start baking. Ata no khat ano ngai reng man kha angai zela chini dip hi mun lia thena mun khat ghi po mun lia thena mun khat kan lani. Baking powder thir fian khat, jeera pum thir fian khat, chi po thir fian khat. Bong hute thir fian nga tranga thir fian rukbor vel kan mang don ani. We've got to prepare dough now, so let's take 1 cup of atta. Atta no khat hi hemi bola kan lan lapota. Chuta chini rod dip kha kasoi to ang khan no ngai reng te khan mun lia thena mun khat kan la le a. We've added the powdered sugar, the ghee po kha mun lia thena mun khat no ngai reng kha kan mang le anga. Baking powder thir fian khat, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon salt, chi thir fian khat. Jeera pum hi tihan thir bela lo kang rawila. We're going to dry roast the cumin seeds. Tel eng ma ka pollova. Ut lutuk lo se. Minute khadvel ka kanga tikhan du to kang. Okay, this is done. Now let's add the roasted cumin seeds also. Tuna jeera kan ro kha heta hianin kan pola. Chuan hei lo met khomang. Mix it up properly. Tikhanin ne devin lo met kho mila hey aput supa in mutheyanga. Hetyang tur hinya ne deva me angai ni. Okay, that's done. We'll pour some milk little at a time here and we'll make a stiff dough. Tihanin bong hute hitlem kan leyanga chuanin acha me angin kan metanga. Hey hi anem tura nilawa asak deuh lam lekha kan me ngai zo kani. Bong hute tlem kalau le belanga. A me nan hianin bong hute hi thir fian ruk ang vel ka mang tani. I've used about 6 tablespoons of milk here to make this dough. And you can see this is how it looks. Hey hetyang hianin kan du tok do na. Chuan tu na a shape lo siam tranang. Let's start shaping it. Tihianin kan lo asir kan tiphe kanga. Just flatten the sides. You can roll it out and with the help of a cutter you can cut it also, but I'm showing you this way today. Tikhanin panvak lavin kanzai thadonani. Okay, so this is how we have cut it out. Don't make it too thin. If you wish to, you can give it some shape like this. In do chuan in kutte khan tikhanin in tibia langa shape ang de ulekka in petheya. Ani lo chuan in zai chu ang po khanin azuk bake thei tapani. I'm just giving you an idea. Otherwise, you can just bake it as it is in whatever shape you cut it out. This is how I've made this one. Tikhanin dole akili de utepon in zuk siam mayanga. Hey hi achang chuanin ata kan nuai chuang hianin kan nuai thina. Chuan cutter nen kan zai bial leta. Mase cutter nei lote in omnual takin ti thua. Hetyangin a simple theyang berin engtinie kan siam theyang karon entir cheu hey enteu a shape hi. Indu du angani mei kha ka chu thil har sa ni to lo. Other way of doing it is you can roll it out like how we roll out the roti. Make it a little thick, and using a cutter you can give it a shape. Today I've just shown you a very easy and simple way. Now the baking. Heat the wok on low medium heat for 10 minutes. Placing the plate, and we'll put the lid. Hey heat hianin minute som low tisa ang. Hemi hi tihianin minute som kan chuanga nga kan tisa nga. Chumi chungin kleng hi lo noi momang. Take a plate and oil it so that your biscuits don't get stuck later. We'll place it on this plate. Tel kha kan noi moma chuanin kan biscuit tur kha tihian veramila. In nai vak lo se achan chu nakina aron lian devanga a in bake huna a in khoi lo tur tok khanin kan varem donani. Just leave some gap between each biscuits. Okay. This is good enough, and this is how we're going to keep it. Tikhanin kan lorem chapta thirbel kha minute som sima kan tisani. We've heated the wok for about 10 minutes now. Let's put in the biscuits and bake them for about 40 to 45 minutes. Tikhan biscuit hi kan da lu tanga. Chuanin minute somli tanga minute somli panga vel low medium heat kan bake don tani. Bake it over low medium heat. Microwave convection mode hian lo tipatila 180 degree kan thanga. Chuanin hi minute som pathiatan kan lo set don ni. Okay, I've put it in the convection mode, selected 180 degree, and we'll be setting it for 12 minutes. Okay, 12 minutes set. Before this, I preheated the oven at 180 degree for 10 minutes. We're putting this in now. Hemi kan thun ma hianin oven hi minute so matan 180 degree kan ti sapotani. Okay, let's bake it for 12 minutes now. Minute so pati lo ngak potang. Okay, let's check it out. Aminem lo endik potang. Minute so pati chu azota a. Amindan kha kadu tok lo de uleka minute riyat kaset bela. Avai bel komin minute somni ka bake ani chu. It was a little uncooked, so I've given another 8 minutes time. So in total, I've baked it for about 20 minutes. Tikhan lo la chua kila. Arim chu she theyu lang chuan o. Tikhan kan mu ang cheu. Hey aya ukde uhleka indu ni chuanin minute nga dangvel po bake maula poimi alo han ente u hei. Andik zia hi. Asadeva chuanin da yang. Okay, you saw the color. It has turned out very nicely. Let's leave it to cool it down. I'll just shift it here. Just see the color. Arong hen inteu. It's a little hot, so we'll let it cool down. If you want it a little darker in color, you may give it another 5 minutes of baking time. So that would make it about 25 minutes of baking time. Minute somni pa nga po in bake do chuan apoy mi alaw han enteu. Analem biscuit ang VM tila. This has been baking for about 45 minutes now. Let's check it out. Hey minute somli pa nga vel kan bake to medium low heat We baked it on medium low heat, if you remember. And look at that, it's so lovely. Okay, it's very, very hot, so you have to be careful. This is the one we baked in the OTG. This is the one we made in the wok. Hey, thirbela kan siam khanya. Asalo tuka chuang chwa din film khuranga nga. Han ente u arong hi. Tihan thenga lo rem chwa kila adai thak nga kang. Let's wait for it to cool down. Friends, if you wish, you may spread some salt in the bottom of the wok, and that would reduce 10 minutes of your baking time. But since I am showing you a low budget cooking, I'm not using the salt as it may not be available for many of you during this lockdown period. Thirbel monga akhanin chi da akhanin athei thava chi ne na kan ur chuanin minute somvel kan ur hun kha atitlem ve ni ma se tu na hi chuanin lockdown ani anga kan hria ta wang hianin mi tam tak tan chi te kha an lo nei chuang tlai lo mai theya chu wang chuan chi tel lova bek dan ke entir cheuni ole voina ka siam hi trying ti chuan khongai takin angai bokin karon ngen char char dona like kalo metula lo subscribe lo ten khongai takin in lo subscribe don ya bye bye, thank you for watching.